Hi and welcome to Great HR. I'm Shreya from the product team at Great HR. Today we are going to show you how to use the Excel import feature to quickly add employees in bulk. This handy tool lets you upload large amounts of employee data directly into the system using an Excel sheet. Ready to save some time? Let's dive in. First, let's log into your Great HR admin account. Once you have logged in, from the menu section go to Employee, Admin and then Excel Import. This will bring you to the Excel Import page. Here, click the Import from Excel button to get started. Under the importer type, you have to select Add Employee Importer. You can just type it here. Next, you can download the sample file to grab a pre-formatted Excel template. Save the file in your computer and start adding all the employee details. Make sure to follow the format in the template and don't forget to delete any blank columns. So once you're done, you can save the edited file and close it. Next, you can upload the file you have edited and click on Next. You'll move on to Excel Importer Mapping. This is where you map the fields from your Excel sheet to the corresponding fields in Great HR. If any fields aren't mapped automatically, just choose the correct option under the Mapped To column. Once everything is set, you can click Next. Finally, you'll reach the Excel Importer Validate page. You can review all your validation results from here to make sure everything looks good. If it's all correct, you can click Next. And that's it. Your employees are now added in bulk. Now, how will you know that your employees have been added? You can go to Employee Information under Employee Profile. You can search by your employees' names or employee numbers. And it will get reflected here. That's all. You have successfully used the Excel Import feature to onboard multiple employees in one go. It's a simple time-saving way to ensure your data is accurate and complete. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.